The ferret excitedly pulled her owner over to show off her babies. She was so happy she almost jumped out. Becoming a mother completely changed her. Before, she was very naughty, often stealing things, especially bright ones, even the baby's toys or the babies themselves. When caught, she would act playful and stubborn. But after becoming a mother, her focus shifted to caring for her little ones. It makes her happy but also very tired. She spends her days resting in the nest, looking after her babies. Her owner often takes her outside to relax and enjoy the sun. It's clear she's very proud of her babies.